Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Mamta. This is vocabulary series Naming Words. This is lesson number 2.2. In this video, naming word is place. You will learn names of 5 basic places. But as you know, in my videos, it is just not 5 words. There will be much more learning side by side. Some basic words, in the grammar, interesting facts, and of course, fun quiz. So please watch the video till the end and enjoy learning Hindi with me. So let us start. Let us first learn what is place in Hindi. Place in Hindi is jagah. 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 As discussed before in my previous lessons, please recall every object is either masculine or feminine or both. Now you can see the girl image here which shows gender of the word jaga is feminine. Now we will see why the gender of the word is important in Hindi and how it affects Hindi sentence. Before we learn about jaga, as always, I want you to learn few words to support your learning and to make your learning more interesting. First word is my. My in Hindi can be mera or meri or mere. Depends on the noun which follows it. You have already learned this in previous lesson. If not, please watch that video first. Link is given below in the description box or also on the top right corner of your screen. Now, my here is followed by place, which is feminine. So, my place in Hindi will be meri jagah. Meri jagah. Let us learn this with one more example. Second word is good. Good in Hindi can be acha, achhi or achhe. If good is followed by masculine noun, then it is acha in Hindi. If it is followed by a feminine noun, then it is achhi in Hindi. Or if good is followed by a plural noun, then it is achhe in Hindi. So as we know, jaga is feminine. Good place will be achhi jagah because jaga is feminine and achhi comes for feminine. Let us first learn the place where we live. The place where we live is called house. House in Hindi is ghar. Ghar. Boy image shows here that the word ghar is masculine. So, my will be mera and my house will be mera ghar. It's not gar, it is ghar. You can see ha sound coming after ga. That is ghar. Mera ghar. Next place we will learn is library, where we learn and read books. Library in Hindi is pustakalay. Speak with me. Pustakalay. 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 Library is also said as library in Hindi. Here, the interesting fact is the word pustakalay is masculine, whereas the word library is feminine, though they are used for the same object. So, library can be masculine or feminine depending on the word you use for it. Here, boy and girl images are showing the gender of these words. Let us see what happens when you want to say my library in Hindi. It will be Mera Pustakalay. Why Mera? Because Pustakalay is masculine. And you can also say Meri library because library is feminine. So we will say Meri library. Next place we will learn is a school where we go study and gain knowledge. Similar to library, a school can also be either feminine or it can be masculine. We will see how. A school in Hindi is Vidyalaya. Vidyalaya. Speak with me. Vidyalaya. A school is also called Pathshala. It is not Pathshala, it is Pathshala. There is ha sound after ta. Pathshala. Speak with me. Pathshala. Here again the interesting fact is the word Vidyalaya is masculine, whereas the word Pathshala is feminine, though they are used for the same object school. The girl and boy images are showing the gender of these words. So, school can be masculine or feminine, depends on the word you use for it. Let us see what happens when you want to say my school. In Hindi, it will be Mera Vidyalay because Vidyalay is masculine and for masculine we use Mera. We can also say Meri Pathshala because Pathshala is feminine and for feminine we use Meri. Next place we are going to learn is restaurant. Restaurant is Bhojnalay. Speak with me. Bhojnalay. Together. Bhojnalay. Bhojnalay. Let us see how we say good restaurant in Hindi. It is Achha Bhojnalay. Why Achha? Because Bhojnalay is masculine. The next and last place we are going to learn in this session is office. Office is Karyalay in Hindi. Speak with me. Karyalay. Karya Alay. Together, Karyalay. Office is also called Daftar in Hindi. Daftar. Remember, when you say ta, your tongue should touch the teeth from behind. It is not daftar, it is daftar. Now let us see how we say my office in Hindi. My office will be Mera Karyalay. Mera Daftar. Why Mera in both the words? Because both of these words are masculine. Let's revise what we have learned so far and focus on pronunciation and the gender. Ghar. Ghar is masculine. Pustakalay, masculine. Library, feminine. Vidyalaya, masculine. Pathshala, feminine. भोजनालय masculine, कार्यालय masculine, दफ्तर masculine. Let us do the quiz and enjoy what we have learned so far. In this quiz, I will give you the name of the place and I'll give you two options. You have to choose one option based on the gender of the place. If the gender of the place is masculine, you have to choose the option for masculine. So let's start. The first question is Pathshala and the options are Meri or Mera. Are you ready with the answer? Yes, it is Meri. So we always say Meri Pathshala. The next question is Ghar. And two options are Meri or Mera. Did you get it right? Yes, it is Mera. Why? Because Ghar is masculine. Mera Ghar. The next question is on your screen. Library. Achhi or Acha? Choose one option. Achhi. Achhi library. Because library is feminine. The next question. Daftar. And options are Mera or Meri. Yes, it is Mera Daftar. Why? Daftar is masculine. And the last question here is Bhojanalay. And options are Acha or Achhi. Yeah, it is Acha Bhojanalay. Bhojanalay is masculine. Let us observe the interesting facts of these words which are names of places. Vidyalay, Pustakalay, Bhojanalay, Karyalay. Have you noticed? All of these words are having alay in them. What is alay and what is the meaning of these words in detail? I'll be discussing it in another video. I would request you to speak the words with me and focus on their pronunciation and gender. If you have any difficulty, please comment down below and I will try my best to reply. Also, paste the pictures in your picture book and write the words in Hindi as I have done in this lesson and watch your Pictionary growing. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with some more naming words. फिर मिलेंगे. Namaste.